Good day, everyone. I want you to imagine waking up one morning to a world without birds singing, no trees to shade, and no clean rivers to drink from. Scary, right? That's what could happen if we continue to lose biodiversity, the variety of living things on Earth, plants, animals, microorganisms, and the ecosystem they form. Isn't just about cute animals or pretty flowers. It's about life itself. It's the reason we have food, clean air, water, and even medicine. Without it, life on Earth, including ours, will struggle to survive. But the problem is, every second, trees are being cut down. Every day, species disappeared forever. According to the United Nations, around 1 million species are now at risk of extinction. Here in the Philippines, we see this too. Our country is one of the world's richest in biodiversity, home to species found somewhere else on Earth. But because of deforestation, pollution, and climate change, many of them are now endangered, like the Philippine eagle and tamarau, and even our coral reefs. Our forests are shrinking, and with them, the homes of thousands of plants and animals vanish. We lose biodiversity. We lose part of who are because nature is a part of us. But there is a solution. The solution is protect what's left. Protect what's left. The first step is protection. Our country has programs like the Nation Integrated Protect Area System, which guard our most important forests, wetlands, and marine sanctuaries. But this area can't protect themselves. They need people like us to care, to volunteer, and to spread awareness. When we protect our nature, nature protect us back through clean air, safe water, and stable climates. Step 2. Restore what's been lost. Next, we must restore what's been damaged. The National Greening Program, or NGP, aims to replant forests all over the Philippines. Since 2011, millions of trees have been planted, helping bring back habitats and prevent floods and landslides. But tree planting is not just about government tasks. It can start with you and me. One tree can shelter bird, clean the air, and give hope for the next generation. And step 3 is support sustainable living. We also need to change how we live. Programs like sustainable agriculture and ecotourism allow communities to earn money while protecting nature. For example, in Palawan, locals are trained to guide tourists instead of cutting trees, earning income while keeping their forests alive. This shows that protecting biodiversity and improving lives can go hand in hand. Step 4. Empowered communities. Many indigenous people in the Philippines, like the Lumads and the Aitas, have lived in harmony with nature for centuries by supporting community-based conservation programs. We empowered them to protect their ancestral lands that are home to rare plants and animals. When communities lead to obey, biodiversity thrives. Step 5. Act locally. Step 5. Act locally. Think globally. Globally programs like REED helps countries reduce carbon emission by protecting forests, and locally, schools and youth groups are joining cleanup drives, mangroves planting, and zero waste campaigns. Every small action counts, from saying no to plastic, to recycling, to simply respecting every form of life around us. And the most important step, be the change. Why? Biodiversity is more than a word. It's our shared responsibility. We may think we're too young to make a difference, but remember, great change often begin with small acts of courage. We can start right here, right now. Plant a tree, pick a trash, join an environmental club, speak up the earth. When we protect life on land, We protect our future, our families, our home. My friends, the earth doesn't need us to be perfect. It needs us to care. It needs us to act, to inspire and never give up on the beauty of life that surrounds us. Together, we can make sure that next generation still hears the call of the eagle, still wakes under the tall green trees, and still lives on a healthy planet. Because when we protect biodiversity, we protect life itself. And life, my friends, is worth fighting for. Thank you. Bye.